So when I was clearing for this trail, this little tree here was standing dead and it had this cool shape to it, so I made sure to put it aside and not burn it because I want to use it to make a door header to go over top of a door like this. Oh yeah, CrossFit, bro. What do you call this? A clean and jerk?
All right.
Clean and snatch? It's a snatch jerk. It's a jerk snatch.
You're a jerk snatch. Oh, let me get out of your way.
Put the logs too far apart, Adam. And thanks for moving all that metal roofing out of the way for me so I could walk up so nicely.
Sometimes I just don't even know what to say to you.
You don't.
I just let you have your fun.
Just let me
poking
have my fun
at the cameraman, thinking you're all funny. So nice. But you know what?
There's an ounce of truth to it, though.
At the end of the day, you just look like an ass. And I'm okay with that.
I'm okay with that.
Yeah, we're all
I'm
okay.
okay with that.
I was okay with it
If
first.
there's a small chance that in the future that metal roofing might get moved, I'm willing to be that asshole. So this is the rig that we're running. Gramberger sent us out a 24-inch bar. This is the 24-inch Alaskan mill setup. You can obviously get much bigger setups, like all the way up to like 6 feet or something like that. I just picked up this power head here. This is the Stihl MS362C. It's got about 60 cc's to it, so decent amount of power, not super big. If it has trouble, it shouldn't have trouble going through such a small log. But I would probably switch my power head out to my 660 if I'm doing a bigger log, like a full width type plank. I think this will cut up to about, I don't know, 18 or 20 inches or something like that. Now, Gramberg has upgraded their mills, at least since I was last using them, to they have these new mount systems here. So this is like a piece of CNC aluminum channel here that they've milled out. And then they've added these quick releases, which is pretty nice because you just have to open up this quick release and then you can adjust the height up and down without having to pull out your wrench to undo the nuts, which is what you had to do before, and it was kind of a pain in the butt. So having these quick releases is super nice because you can just adjust it on the fly with no tools. So what we need to do now is get this log propped up, and then we've got a guide rail, aluminum guide rail that Gramberg sent out as well, but I don't think that's going to work on a log that has such a large bend to it. So we're probably going to have to use 2 smaller boards. We've got some maybe 1x8 or 2x8 chunks around here to make our guide rails out of. So we'll have to make a chunk going this way and then another chunk going that way so that we can kind of follow the shape of the log with the mill. So let's get her shimmed up and fire up that 2-stroke. hard part. Look at that. Oh, this side's pretty. It's gonna look pretty cool above a door. Just gotta peel that bark off and run her over with the planer. Not bad for 10 minutes work. I want to give a huge shout out to Granberg Alaskan Mills for sending us this little setup here. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this thing. It's super portable, and given the fact that it's a chainsaw with their Granberg ripping chain, especially ground, it cuts so much faster than all the other ripping chains that I've used, and it's the only ripping chain I'll be using. So yeah, I'm super stoked on this setup. Thanks again for sending it out. If you want to check out the Granberg Mills with their new quick releases, as well as their own bars and specialized ripping chain, be sure to click the link in the description box below and give them a look. Twisted. That's perfect. It's time. Release the Kraken! I believe this is the 60-inch bar. Again, set up with the Granberg ripping chain, which adds a heck of a lot of speed. We cut. We could use the pulley as well. That saves a lot of energy. Just need to put a screw or a bolt in the end of the log, and the pulley will pull it. Just hand crank it. Cold weather, it takes a little bit to get the sledge going.
Hey, I'm planking.
Are you? Congratulations. Of all the jokes you could have used right there, I'm planking.
I don't know what else.
I think like
Give me another one.
you lay there. Woo, clear.
It's beautiful. We did it.
Two beautiful 5x8s.
I can't get over this view, man.
Doesn't get much better, man. Why do you think I'm so jazzed to build shit out here? Because I'm like, man, more people we can get out here, just having a good time, sitting around, listening to music.
Just look at the.
Just imagine John and Tracy.
Stop talking and just look. Look at the mountain over there with snow on it.
It's only gonna get better. All these mountains are gonna have snow on them in another month.
Don't discriminate against that mountain, okay? It's special right now.
Oh, that's one of my faves. Color them. Wow. Thank you so much to Granberg Alaskan Mills for sponsoring this video. If you want to check out their mills, saw some timber of your own, be sure to click the link in the description box below.